Hey baby, it's Cayenne and I'm back with another video. I'm back. How you doing today? I hope you're feeling amazing. I'm about to say I'm okay. I'm okay for the most part. So I don't really want to get too much about yesterday and what happened yesterday because today is a brand new day. However, what I will tell you is crazy how the enemy will try to instill fear into you. I gotta get into yesterday because you can be like, what the fuck is you talking about, Kanye? So yesterday, me and my landlord is going through it because I am late on rent. Yes, I'm a month late on rent. And when I say this man is about his money, this man is about his moolah, okay? Don't be a day late. Don't be a month late. Don't be nothing. Don't even breathe late, girl. Fuck. So yeah, I'm a month late in rent or whatever. And he threatening me like I'ma call child services and all this other cool stuff. Cops came and everything. Mind you, again, I'm 10 toes down, 10 toes 30. I don't know what kind of reaction he wanted out of me. I think he wanted me to be like, shake and move, cuss him out, cuss the cops out and stuff. No. I'm very welcoming. I welcome all the drama. Trust me, because I'm going to handle it. Unfortunately, I was raised like that. I had to grow up welcoming the drama and learning how to handle it because prior to me learning how to handle it, I used to really snap out, like snap in a heartbeat. Girl. Everybody that knows me know. Don't comment down below what I used to do because we ain't used to no more. However, moving forward to last night, he called the cops and everything. And the cops was like, we can't do nothing, sir. We cannot do anything. Like she paid her rent. She's normally paying her rent. We not about to take her kids or nothing like that. She's not endangerment to the children or anything. Like, kids going to school, they fed, they clean, they're clothed. Fuck. So, rewinding to today. Because I had to sleep on it, of course. Like, I let it go. I don't really care too much because I know who I am. I am a woman of my word. Best believe you're going to get your money. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like, so you trying to control something, you're going to catch a heart attack trying to control. So the thing is, people need to release the need to control things. Because when you control things, again, on another previous video, this is how people become angry, sad, and things like that. You need to release the need to control things. Before yesterday or before this month, I was paying my rent before time, like before the first, maybe the 20th, like of the month prior. So moving forward today, I just woke up brand new and refreshed. It just was like, you cannot install fear in me, baby. I only fear one person, one deity. Baby, I've been through hell and high water. When I say it, I don't even, if I look like the things that I've been through, you can be like, yo, you are truly ugly. You are horrible looking. Because mama been through the ringer. So yeah, moving forward, the enemy will really try to install fear into you. And the thing is, I guess because I look young, people think that I am young. Like, I am still young. I'm only going on 29. My battery dying. We're going to keep it moving. I'm only going on 29. So I still am young. I'm fairly young. But yeah, the enemy will really try to install fear. And they will use it through your children, through your finances, through your home, through your family, through your relationship. It's all up to you to stand 10 toes down, to stand sturdy and true to who you are. Again, if you know exactly who you are and you are true to who you are, nothing else can shake your foundation. Nothing else can shake within you. Point blank period. Be aware. Be aware and always be prepared. And again, like I said, I'm going to forever say, stay prayed up. Stay prayed up, baby. I got this black on. I'm not even supposed to be wearing black. I wore black yesterday and today. I'm not even supposed to be wearing black. But I need to wash clothes. Shut up. Don't judge me. Judge your mama. I need to wash clothes, and this is the only stuff that I have left. Yeah. They would try to install a lot of fear or guilt or whatever. And use your discernment. Like I said, the enemy would definitely try to guilt trip you as well. Like, or make you reminisce about the past, some past stuff. It'd be like, yo, your memories is not the same memories I have. Like, you have good memories about me, but I don't have now one good memory about you. They be close. The enemies definitely be close. They be closer than you think. It could be your landlord, like I said, and I feel like it's his wife. But I ain't gonna say nothing. You better not say nothing either, but I feel like it's his wife. Hey, lady, I ain't do nothing. And I told, the same thing I told the cops and him and the wife is the same thing I'm going to tell you. I'm not out here stripping. I'm not out here about to suck a dick for $1. And I'm damn sure not about to touch on him to keep my roof over my head. If I tell you what happened, you're going to be like, ew, you should definitely move. I'm going to be moving in due time, and God's plan, God's will. I'm going to be moving in due time. But you... Other than that, I'm going to stand 10 toes down. I bought a little stopper for my door. You know the old people joints? You put it on your doorknob and you stop it. I bought a little stopper for my door and everything. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to get over here. Tell a friend to get over here. Tell a friend get over here. You like my song? I know you like my song. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, tell a friend to get over here. We will heal together, and it is glorious, baby.